morning. It's Hiker Dude Dad, and I am just south of Duncannon, Pennsylvania. Gonna do another section of my ATinPA2021 hike. We are parked right along the hike here on In Road. Right across the street here, see some double blazes over there, but then this is the eastern tip of Cove Mountain here. We're gonna do about 4 miles today. This is the smallest chunk that I sectioned off here because there's easy parking. It's a nice flat section through the town of Duncannon. We are bookended between two giant climbs. There's Hawk Rock here up on Cove Mountain, and then right across the river there is the western tip of Peters Mountain, which is a massive hike as well, massive climb as well. So it's a windy, cold day. It's January. I'm going to do this. This is probably the only hike I'm going to do as an out and back, and it's appropriate because the date today is a numerical palindrome. It is 1/21/21, January 21st, 2021. So just like my digits here go 1/21/21, same forward and back, I'm going to go do an out and back. I'll probably only record on the first part because, you know, it's exactly the same. Alright, so very short distance in here. We are going to cross Sherman Creek. We have three big crossings here, but got a little like stone bridge here. Blazes on the bridge here, and then we cross. This is going to be a very suburban hike, as I like to call it, because we're going right through the town here. It's going to be 4 miles. It's just it's pretty flat. There's climbs on either side, but I'm not tackling them today. I don't think I'll have time. By the time I have to get back to Lancaster and start picking up kids from school. So here's Sherman Creek. Super clear, shallow and wide. A little bit of nature before we hit the car dealers here right inside of town. So basically following a lot of telephone poles here. Very welcoming town here. It is a hiking town. They do a lot to support through hikers here. There's a couple places I'm going to check out on the way here. Boiling Springs in Pennsylvania and Duncannon here are hiker towns. A lot of resupply points, good restaurants, cheap beers, all that kind of stuff. That's what they're known for. But really got to pay attention to these telephone poles. I see a double blaze coming up here. Yeah, it's not just paint on trees here. It's, you know, you get the whole suburban kind of area here to try and watch your blazes and everything. So most of this first 2 miles here is definitely just about all residential. There's a train going by down there. The river's on the other side. So the trail kind of bends you off the main stretch of Duncannon and puts you on a parallel side road. Bear! Couple deer. Big bear. Holy crap, that was close. So coming down, oh, some ice. Coming down through under the railroad from the train I just saw. And heading through the stone tunnel here. When I come back, I think I'm going to walk down the main drag of Duncannon. There's some establishments there that are known for hosting hikers for food or lodging or any of that. I think I'll come back that way and show you that, since I've done, you know, actual trail right now. Stayed on it. Blazes are on the other side here. Might have missed a crossover, but I'll come back through town the other way just so we can see some different stuff on the way back. Coming up now on the Juniata River. The big Juniata River comes here, merges just over here with the Susquehanna, so we'll probably have some good views up here. So as we come up the bridge over the Juniata River, off to the left here, there is a Lions Club campground. Not sure what the details are on that, but looks like you could camp here if you wanted. Road noise from here on out is going to be pretty tough, I think. Here's the Juniata. Now, if you're looking for entertainment when you're passing through, that stretch up there, kind of north on, I guess it's Route 11 and 15. I usually refer to it as the red light district. So if you're looking for some different entertainment, you can probably walk up that way a little bit. So crossing the Juniata River, out there it merges with the Susquehanna. Tip of Peters Mountain is right here. I've done climbs up there. That is a lot. That is a tough climb. There's about 8 or 9 switchbacks up there to take you up Peters Mountain, and then the trail just follows that ridge a long time. Crosses some local roads and everything, but mainly it's on the Peters Mountain Ridge for a long time. That campground's right on the Juniata River there. One more big bridge crossing here. That's the Clark's Ferry Bridge. That is a busy one. It's not 11 and 15, I guess it's 322 that's coming up through here. 322 there is super busy. There's construction on it today. There is a walking path, a separate walking part of the bridge, so it's going to be loud. It's going to be high over the river, but we're going to be there soon enough. We're going to get to a parking lot on the other side, turn right around and come back. Alright, so we crossed a little main drag there. Just came from back there. Kind of a rocky shore here on the river. I tell you, often the river is iced up here in January. It's been cold overnights, but it's not been too bad during the daytime. Pardon the road noise. We're on busy 322 here, but we're taking this rocking walking bridge. What a stellar view of the Susquehanna. So it is windy up here. I just threw my hood on to keep my hat on, but it is windy up here, and when tractor trailer goes by, it shakes. It freaks me out. So we're on the off-ramp here going down to the Halifax exit. You can see over there, that's where I just came across Clark's Ferry Bridge. Straight ahead over there is the Juniata River Bridge. So right here is where the two big rivers converge. Good, and I keep swinging down here to the parking lot. And then I'm gonna cross the street there, which is another busy exit ramp. And we'll end up at the stone wall where the next section hike will start for me. And that'll start with the climb up Peters Mountain. All right, so we're here at the end. These stone steps here. Here's where you'd begin your climb for the next part. So that was only 3 miles. I had it chalked up as 4, so I don't know. I stayed on the path the whole time, so I'll have to check my calculations then. But yeah, I'm gonna shut down this recording. I'm gonna walk back. I'm going to go through town, so if there's anything cool, I'll put it after my map here if I see anything cool. So otherwise, this video is done, but keep watching for bonus material. Thank you very much for watching. Get this out of the way now. Can't wait to do more of these hikes, and we're going to, I hope that you would like to donate to my Cancer Research Institute fund drive that I'm doing. 1,000 miles this year. You can sponsor my legs by the mile, or you can make a flat donation, but I would really appreciate it, and so would people with cancer. So thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.